welcome back to the channel. In today's video I wanted to show a quick little haul that we made of a few kits. Now these kits are in printed fabric. If any of you are interested in that type of cross stitch, then you're welcome to keep on watching the video. Remember to subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell, that way YouTube will notify you every time that we upload a new video in the channel. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the kits came in an Amazon packaging, but I will mention that their store, the link that I'm going to leave down below is on their official store, which is on mydear.com, I think. I'll be leaving the link down in the description box. Now this video isn't sponsored by My Dear, it's just that they sent these kits to us, and well, we're really happy that they did, and we just want to show them to you guys because it was a nice gift from them. You can also use this code here to get, I think it's 10% off. It's not an affiliate code, it's just a code that they gave us in case any of you are interested in their products. They are hosting a sale at the moment, which I think is 50% off. So it's a good time to shop from them if you're interested in any of their kits. They do have a lot of varieties over in their website. Okay, so first kit that we got is the Illusion of Hot Air Balloons. And this is how it looks. This is one of my favorite designs. As you can see, it's very vintage, very beautiful with those hot air balloons. And it's very colorful too. Okay, so now we're going to open it very quickly so that you can see more in depth what it has inside. Yeah, okay. So this one, here are the colors. Beautiful colors. They're all pastels actually. All pastel colors. If you can see that good there in the camera. Let me flip them over. Beautiful colors it has. Okay, and this is the size. Now it doesn't have a, so you don't have to stitch the background, only what is stamped. What you see in the that has colors, that's going to be the entire project. So the background, everything you see in white, looks like you don't have to do it. I mean, you can stitch it in white thread if you'd like, but it's not that you have to. So it does bring a total of 20 colors, I believe. Yeah, a total of 20 colors. And then here you can see that you have all the colors in the thread organizer, but you also have a little compartment, which these are basically extra threads, extra floss that they put in, that they include just in case you run out of the floss. Because usually when they do this, it's because that specific color you're going to use it very often, so they always put in an extra little bit of floss just in case you run out. So that's very thoughtful from them. Alright, so this is the first one, like I mentioned, and I really love this design. This is actually the first one that I'm going to do, and I'm very excited about this one. Yeah, and then as usual, the packaging, the little bag that it comes with is also very handy. It is a Ziploc also, so you can put everything back inside. Again, it brings the picture and it brings the instructions. Now I'm not going to show you guys the chart, but it does bring all the instructions here. Alright, so that is all for the first kit. Now let's move on to the second one. Alright, so next is one that my mom is very excited about, and it's the little bird one. As soon as she saw this one, she absolutely fell in love with the design. I'm going to open it very quickly. Alright. Oh wow. Okay. So, oh, this is actually like a little magazine. So it brings the chart in like a little magazine form. All of this is the chart that you're going to need. Well, not need, because you don't need it since it is in printed fabric. But if you wanted to do it, let's say in printed fabric, but also repeat the design in normal fabric, you could do that also, because it's very good. It's a very good quality, the printer paper, and it prints it out every single grid very nicely. You can see the symbols quite clearly. And then here, same, it has the key, and you have the project divided into 6 sections. And here, same, some instructions just in case you need it. I really like this. I haven't seen any instructions of kits or that I bought in like a magazine form. It's very cute. Okay, and then here we have all the threads, very organized. Oh, it brings a needle, 2 needles actually. So I'm assuming one is for the normal crosses and one is for the back stitches. Again, I love the colors, lots of greens. Love the selection of the colors. And this is a design that once completed, you can have it in the entrance of your home, basically any time of the year, because the design is actually very compatible with all the seasons. It's not like a specific season, so I really like that about the design. And then here is what you're going to work with, and I like that it's protected in this little nylon that it brought. Okay, so straight off the bat, I like this fabric. It is a little bit hard, but then again, since it is in a printed project, that's usually going to happen. But I can tell that the fabric is very good. It's very professional, very good quality. So here is going to be the project. As you can see, it has a very nice size. I think this is the perfect size for this project. And it's so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love the flowers, the bowl. I think this one, once she starts it, she's going to finish it in a jiffy, because it has a very good size and everything. Again, here are all the symbols. So if you haven't done any cross stitch in printed fabric before, you basically just, again, like with normal stitching, you look at the pattern, you decide what symbol, what color you want to stitch first. And as you can see here, the symbol is number 28, and then it says 3031. So the floss that you're going to look for, the number is the first one, which is number 28. So you're going to get your floss and you're going to look for number 28 over here. So this is the floss that you're going to use. You just get your strand of floss and you start stitching that color. And that's how you do it for printed cross stitch. Once you try it, it's very fun, because sometimes we probably don't have time to get the highlighter and be highlighting the symbols that we're stitching one by one. You don't have to do that with printed fabric. You don't have to count, you don't have to highlight. It's a little bit more easy. Let's say if you're out of the house and you don't want to be carrying all of those tools with you that you need to cross stitch. With this, you only need your floss, the fabric, and the scissor, and that's it. You don't need any paper, highlighters, nothing. Again, I like stitching both ways, but I do like to have my options, and sometimes stitch in printed fabric, sometimes stitch in normal fabric. Alright, so now let's move on to the next and final project. Alright, so the last and final kit is, if you guessed a dog, well then you were right. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that almost all of my projects that I'm working on are dogs. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I love dogs so much, but we had to get a dog, right? So Let's open it really quickly. Okay. Again, beautiful design. I love everything about this puppy. Here's the chart with the instructions and the key. It also brings another picture just in case you need it for reference. And yeah, this is more instructions. Again, if you're a beginner in cross stitch, this could help you, but it's basically the same steps. And then we have the, let's look at how big this one is. I love it. I love it very much. It's going to be very beautiful. And what I like most about this design is that, I don't know if the right term for it is confetti, but it has very little of that. It's basically lots of chunks of the color, which will be, you'll probably finish it much sooner than if you had to be switching threads all around the project. And this one has actually 13 colors, so maybe that's why. Again, here are the colors. Lots of brown tones like these, and then these are just for the skin. Love these. Beautiful colors. These are for the eyes, these blues. Love these colors. So beautiful. 13 colors total. Also brings the 2 needles. So that's a big pro. A big advantage. And this one, they called this project Daddy Where to Go. So I think, so that is all that they sent, and we're very thankful that they sent us these kits. We will be working on them as soon as we can, since we do have more projects in the works. But I think we can all relate that no matter how many projects you have, you're always adding a little bit more, a little bit more. It's inevitable. You can't help yourself. I think we all cross stitchers agree with that. Alright, so that is all that we got. And something quick to note about them is they do have their website. They also have an Amazon store, but I'll be linking down below the website with the coupon code that you guys can use if you're interested in one of the kits that I have, or any of the kits that they have in their website. Again, they are hosting a sale at the moment, which is 50% off. And that's a very good way to take advantage of their kits. If you have any questions about their store, my dear, or any questions in general about stitching in printed fabric and you'd like to try it out, you can always message us on Instagram or send us an email. Everything is linked down below in the description box. And again, thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting our cross stitch channel. Again, we are beginner floss tubers. Basically 90% of our projects are not in printed fabric, but we always do like to have at least one that is, since we do personally like stitching in printed fabric. It has a lot of benefits and we actually really like the experience. Again, our channel is a mother-daughter channel, and this is a hobby that we truly love. We hope to keep on making more videos, and remember, you can subscribe and you can click the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you every time that we upload a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! On Instagram,